Dear students, welcome back to my channel. This video contains the topic addition of like fractions and their exercise 6.6. We also learn about subtraction of like fractions and exercise 6.7. So let's start with addition of like fractions. If I take an example, suppose 1 by 5 and 4 by 5. Are they like fractions? Yes, they are like fractions because their denominators is same, and that is 5. So they are like fractions. So if I add these fractions, so what will be your answer? Okay, so the method is draw a line. If you check, both the denominator is same, so the denominator will be 5 here, and simply add the numerator. Numerator is 1, add with 4, so you will get 5 by 5. Okay, so this is the method, and this is the way to solve like fractions, addition of like fractions. Now what does it mean graphically? Graphically it means, if I take a whole strip and if I divide 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, out of 5 I have taken only 1 by 5th. That means this is 1 by 5th, because out of 5 I have taken only 1 by 5. And if I add them with this portion, that is 4 by 5, these portions are 4 by 5 because this is another part, this is another part, this is third part, and this is fourth part. So I have taken 4 orange parts out of 5 parts, so 4 by 5, and I want to add them. So if I add them, you will get the whole strip, that means 1. So it will be 5 by 5, it means 1. I told you before, if the numerator and the denominator is same, then it will make whole, so it makes the whole strip. So this is the way to find the result. So let's start exercise 6.6. One number questions do not need to do, so I will solve only question number 2. So question number 2 says add the following like fractions. So question number 2a, it is 3 by 8 plus 4 by 8. I said the denominator will be same, that is 8, and simply add the numerators. Numerators are 3 and 4. So if you add 3 plus 4, you will get 7 by 8. So this is the sum. Similarly, question number B, 6 and 1 plus 2, that is 3 by 6. 7 is the denominator, and add the numerator, it will be 6 by 7. Similarly, it's 4 and 3 plus 1 equal to 4 by 4. It's 9 and it will be 6 plus 2, that is 8 by 9. It will be 10 and it will be 3 plus 7, it will be 10 by 10. And it is 5 and 1 plus 4, that is 5 by 5. And h, it is 12, that is 6 plus 3 equal to 9 by 12. So this is the way to solve or to add the like fractions. And this is very easy, because like fractions, the denominator will be same, simply add the numerators only. Very easy examples, and please do it by yourself. Now next point is subtraction of like fractions. Here we have also taken the like fractions. So if I choose an example, 3 by 8, and if I subtract 3 by 8 from 5 by 8, so what will be your answer? So in this case, process more or less same, because in this case always remember, because in subtraction always when you are subtracting, always the subtract will be the bigger number, smaller number from the bigger number. Subtraction always be bigger, smaller number from bigger number, right? So in this case, at first you have to write the bigger number or bigger fraction, then you subtract from this. So here you know what will be the bigger number, 3 by 8 or 5 by 8, obviously, because they are like fractions. So you have to check the numerator. Since 3 is less than 5, so 5 by 8 is bigger number, and it is easy to check. So in this case, 3 by 8, that is, sorry, 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. So in this method, draw a line, and in the denominator you write the denominators 8, because they are like fractions, so denominator will be same, and the numerator bigger number minus smaller number, that is 5 minus 3, it will be 5 minus 3 means 2, and 2 by 8. This is the answer, or this is called difference. 2 by 8 is the difference. Now what does it mean if I tell it graphically? So it is given 3 by 8 and 5 by 8, right? So you have to choose a whole strip. So I have taken a strip and I have divided the strip into 8 equal parts. Because I am subtracting 3 by 8 from the 5 by 8, so you have to choose at first 3 by 5 by 8 portion, that is, I said only 5 portions out of 8, so it will be 5 by 8. Now I want to eliminate subtraction means eliminate. So I want to eliminate or remove 3 by 8th part. 3 by 8th parts. 3 by 8th parts, it will be this portion. If I take this, if I eliminate first third part, that is I'm coloring by red, so it will be 3 by 8. So from 5 by 8 I want to remove this part, 3 by 8. Now what is the left part? 2 by 8, because these two portions are left, so 2 by 8 is the answer. Okay, so this is the difference, and this is the way to solve. Okay, now I'm going to exercise 6.7. So this is exercise 6.7. So question number 1 do not need to do. If you want to solve, you can solve, but I will not solve today. I will start from 2. Question number 2. Subtract the following fractions. So first of all, 2a, it is given 5 by 8 minus 2 by 8. Okay. So I told you that how to solve, because 2a it is given 5 by 8 minus 2 by 8. So here you have to write at first the denominator and simply subtract 5 minus 2. So you will get 3 by 8. This is the difference. Similarly, question number B, 9 by 17 minus 2 by 17. So they are like fractions, so denominator will be same. And now simply subtract the numbers that is in numerator. 9 minus 2, so it will be 7 by 17. Clear? Similarly, if I choose question number C, 11 by 14 minus 2 by 14, the process will be same, 11 minus 2. So 11 minus 2 is 9 by 14. So your work only subtract the numerators, right? Remember it. 7 by 9 minus 2 by 9, so it will be 7 minus 2 minus 5 by 9. E number 12 by 13 minus 6 by 13, so it will be 12 minus 6 by 13, so it will be 6 by 13. F number 19 minus 21, 9 minus 21, so it will be 19 minus 9 by 21, that is 10 by 21. Similarly, G, H, I, J, K, L, you can solve. Please do yourself. Okay. Now I'm coming to the next portion, that is question number 3. Fill in the following boxes with plus or minus. So if I choose question number 3a, it is given 7 by 8 and another fraction 4 by 8, and the result is 3 by 8. That means here it will be plus or minus. If I add, then it will be 7 plus 4, it means 11, but the result is given 3 by 8, so it must be minus, because 7 minus 4 is 3. Because in the like fractions, addition means add the numerators only, subtraction means only subtract the numerators only from smaller number, bigger number minus smaller number. So bigger number is 7 and smaller number is 4, so 7 minus 4 is 3, so the answer is 3 by 8. Similarly, question number B, obviously it is 1 by 3 and 1 by 3, the denominator is 3, it is given, and the numerator is 2, so it means it obviously it will be plus, because 1 plus 1 is 2. Question number C, 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6, and the result is bigger than the result. The result is bigger than the addends, so it means it will be plus. Question number D, the logic will be same. The result is bigger than the addends, because the numbers are being added is called addend. So since the result is bigger number than the addends, so operation must be plus. So E number, similarly it will be plus, because 5 plus 2 is 7, and F number, it also be plus, because 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 by 3 it makes a whole. Now question number 4, compare the following and fill in the boxes with greater than, less than, or equal to. So question number A, 1 by 4 plus 6 by 4. So if you add them simply, you will get 1 plus 6, that is 7 by 4. You will get 7 by 4. And here in the next portion, it will be 2 by 4 and 5 by 4. So simply add the numerators, you will get also 7 by 4. So both fractions are same, so it must be equal. Similarly, question number B, 7 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Here it is subtraction. So if you subtract the numerator 7 minus 2, you will get 5 by 9, and 5 by 9 obviously greater than 4 by 9, because 5 is greater than 4. Because 5 is greater than 4, so for the like fractions 5 by 9 also greater than 4 by 9, so it must be greater than. Question number C, 7 by 8 minus 5 by 8. So it is subtraction. So 7 minus 5, it will be 2, that is 2 by 8, but here it is given 1 by 8, so 2 by 8 must be greater than 1 by 8. So here greater than sign will come. Similarly, 12 by 13 plus 5 by 13. So denominator will be 13 and numerator will be 12 plus 5, that is 17 by 13. It will make 17 by 13. 17 by 13 obviously greater than 11 by 13, because 7 greater than 11, 17 greater than 11. So it will be greater than. Okay, the next part, 6 by 15 plus 3 by 15. So it must be 6 plus 3 means 9 by 15, and it is given 12 by 15. So 9 by 15 obviously less than 12 by 15. So here it will come less than. And the next part, F number, this is your task, and please check it will be equal. So so this chapter is finished. If you don't understand anything, then you can ask me in the live class. Okay, so thank you. Go through this video and keep learning.